जैसा कि हर बार होता है बहुत सारा धमाल होगा. There's going to be performances. I'm really excited for that. And obviously सब contest crowning होने वाली है. So कुछ ताज कुछ लड़कियों के सर जाएगा. So definitely really excited to see who wins that. Definitely so yeah. Excited about the event.
मिस इंडिया की जब बात करते हैं तो क्या दिमाग में आता है जो है कि क्या कुछ करना है?
ऑब्वियसली खुद एक फेमना मिस इंडिया होने के बावजूद जब हम ऐसे इवेंट्स पर आते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली इट गेट्स वेरी नॉस्टैल्जिक. वी ऑब्वियसली रिमेंबर आवर टाइम जब हमें हमारा सब कॉन्टेस्ट क्राउनिंग हुआ करता था और जब हम कंटेस्टेंट्स थे तो कैसा माहौल हुआ करता था. ऑब्वियसली वो सब याद आता है हमें. बट डेफिनेटली इस टाइम हमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा रिलीफ है. उस टाइम हम बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस हुआ करते थे. बट राइट नाउ वी आर नॉट कंटेस्टिंग फॉर इट. सो वी आर वेरी कूल एंड चिल्ड आउट एंड एंजॉय द इवेंट. आज फिनाले नहीं है लेकिन डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चन आंसर फिनाले पे होता है जो कि मेरा फेवरेट राउंड है. क्योंकि जब आप कंटेस्टेंट्स को बात करते हुए सुनते हैं तो डेफिनेटली उनकी पर्सनालिटी और भी निखर कर आती है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग यार.
और ब्लैक गाउन राइट?
Yes, this is a gown by Gavin Miguel, and coincidentally, I have worn the same Gavin Miguel's gown on my finale, which has made me win. So yeah, definitely, it's very interesting to wear his dress. It's quite, out of the box. So,
ऑल्सो क्रिकेट की बहुत तमाम धूम चल रही है.
डेफिनेटली क्रिकेट मैं एक्चुअली बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखती हूँ. कभी बचपन से कभी नहीं देखा. क्रिकेट फ़ैन नहीं हूँ बट डेफिनेटली मुझे इतना पता है कि इंडिया सेमीफाइनल्स में आ चुकी है. सो आई विश द क्रिकेट टीम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. एंड ऑब्वियसली इंडियन हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली चाहूँगी कि इंडिया जीते.
फिल्मों वाला कुछ प्रोजेक्ट होने वाला है
आपको जल्दी पता चलेगा. आपको जल्दी पता चलेगा. यस.
Dino, you must have had a look at
One second, roll नहीं है.
Yeah, roll it.
Roll?
Dino, you must have had a look at the contestants. What do you think of them?
No, I'm actually going to see the contestants right now.
Okay. So what does it feel like?
Well, I'm excited. It's good to be here. I've judged many contests otherwise, and I'm happy to be here to judge one of the pre-contests for the Miss India competition. And I'm sure the girls are going to be fantastic and give it their best because everybody wants to be a Miss India.
What qualities would you be looking out for?
Well, I'm judging talent and costume, national costume. So we're obviously going to look at things that sort of bring out the best in national costume, and obviously the most talented girls. So let's look out for something great.
And if someone wants to really win your heart as far as the contest goes, what should they do on stage?
Well, if it's talent, obviously the best talent.
Okay.
And if it's costume, it's the costume that sort of will not only be good today, but will show India on a greater platform if they perform internationally.
Yeah, we have often seen that Miss India's the next step is Bollywood. So what do you make of this trend? Is that a good trend for the modeling industry or how is it?
Well, it's a platform. This is a platform for them to come and showcase what they've got, and everybody wants to be a film star at some point in their life.
Okay.
So if this is a good platform, then why not?
We normally don't see, in the early 90s we had the Aishwaryas, the Sushmitas, the Priyankas, but we don't see such quality coming out these days. So do you think there is a lack or...
There's no lack. Maybe the girls will, maybe this year will have someone who will be of that particular quality.
Okay.
So there's no lack.
Okay.
We just have to go out and find them.
All right.
There are tons of them.
All right. Also, Miss World has done away with the swimsuit round, So what do you make of it? Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Maybe
from the male perspective, especially?
Maybe it's a good thing, Maybe they want to show women in a better... I mean, it's not like you're showing women in poor light anyway.
Correct.
But maybe they just want to do away with it because
But
respect,
personally, are you happy
credibility.
with it, or what's your take on
I'm okay. I'm okay. We want to, I mean, I think Miss India is also about, like they all say, inner beauty. So it's more about the personality
Okay.
than just the physical aspects.
And your upcoming project in 2015.
Right now, I'm not shooting any film, but hopefully something soon. Okay? Thank you.